What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are here in week 3, heading into our matchup against Ball State. I went ahead and skipped skipped filming the FCS game from week 2. Didn't want to bore you guys with that. Figured let's just jump straight into this one. We've got some upgrade points that we can use on my skill tree here, so let's dive right into that. Let's see. I can either upgrade recruiting, or I can buy talent developer. Let's see if I have enough for that. I don't think I do, so let's go back to recruiter and let's just keep beefing this up. Running backs, O-line, you know what? Let's upgrade that O-line a little bit. Let's get that. Let's get to level 3 for quarterback. Then let's get running back and, you know what, linebacker. Because I feel like if I got a good quarterback and a good running game, I'm not going to need to upgrade the skill tree for wide receiver just yet. I feel like that's kind of secondary, so that'll be later. And let's jump into the recruiting really quick. And for whatever reason, it only gave me 25 hours for this week. It seems to vary week to week how many hours get replenished into your bank. I don't know if it has to do with how many you used the week before or how well you performed on the field or things like that. I know your rating as a coach, I'm pretty sure that gives you more hours. But as you can see, the first couple of weeks I was doing a lot of laying the groundwork with my recruiting board. I was setting it, addressing needs, laying down some hours. As you can see, Nick Hasty, this is like the #1 guy on my board. I have a huge need at linebacker. Linebacker, corner, quarterback, those are kind of my main needs right now. So let's see, Mr. McNabb, I'm 5th on his board. And Mr. Wormsley, scrambling quarterback, I'm #1. I've only spent 10 hours on him. So you know what? I am going to go ahead. I'm going to throw some hours down on him. So that's kind of where we're at with the recruits at the moment. I wonder if I should go with the orange or the green. You know what? I'll stick with the traditional orange.
Welcome to Hard Rock Stadium, home of the Miami Hurricanes, a program.
All right, nice. We got some good weather for this game. I really love the Hard Rock entrance. That is really cool. I don't know if it's going to be anywhere near this for this game in real life, even if we're heading into this game 2-0. It would have to be either a big game or a game towards the end of the season where we're like already on a winning streak. But, yeah, cool to see. The C-A-N-E-S Canes, I love it. They got a lot of cool details into this game. You never saw the Canes spell out by Sebastian in previous games. All right, let's kick this off. Okay, first play. Ooh, man, I really fell for that. Wow, that was bad. They faked out the camera guy and everything. Overload blitz. You got me, Ball State, you got me. God, the open field tackling is ass in this game sometimes. How does a fast DB not catch a tight end from behind? That's really weird. Getting manhandled a little bit. And he defies gravity and picks up the first down. Let's turn off auto flip. All right. The aggressive blitz isn't working. Let's drop back into zone a little bit here. I'll be the linebacker this time.
He'll take it himself.
All right.
Not much working there. It'll be 2nd and 9.
And you could tell QB wants to run. He's going to be a big part of the game plan, and the defense really, really understands that. I got to understand, and more importantly, when I get a lick on this cat, I got to take
Yes.
it.
All right. Good play by Bain there. And number 3. Yeah, let's go with the 4-2-5 here.
After that last one, they're staring at a 2nd and long.
See if I can generate a little pressure off the edge, get them to make a mistake.
Gives it to
No,
the
they're going
back.
to run it, go with a safe play. All right, they're going to settle for 3. That's fine.
Get there, the defense
Totally fine with me.
ball and makes the stop. They'll play it safe and try for
Yeah, definitely got to keep the big plays to a minimum. I think we do that, we're going to be just fine. Oh, did he miss? Up.
and the first point today, come on
Of course. See, if it were me and I hit the post, it would have bounced out. Yep. Bounced right in. That is very, very true to life if you're a Hurricanes fan. we don't always have the best luck on special teams.
He'll start the return inside his 5. Nice job executing all of the assignments as they put
All
us
right.
up to that return at the 22.
Gonna want to go for a big play early on here.
And going with their first possession.
Gonna get Trader in motion.
Now, impact players for this one. What are you looking
I said
for?
trade. There you go.
A guy to make an impact.
Well, these are simply put the leaders of this football team, and generally
Yes. Make a miss.
All kinds of running room. The 30. And
All right.
after gobbling up some serious
Nice big chunk play to start it off.
those wheels on its 1st and 10. Looking to move it through the air.
Oof.
Just missed on the connection.
That was risky. That was risky. The corner was right there.
Got on 2nd down. To the ground with the back.
First down.
Really
Very
nice.
nice, very
run there.
nice.
Good, solid pickup.
Try a little RPO. Nope, they're lined up tight, so I'm just going to go ahead and hand it off here. That left side looks pretty open, but it wasn't.
Getting that first down to make sure I get an extra set of downs instead of trying to make those big touchdown runs.
Going to work in the red zone. They can't pick up the first down without getting it into the end zone.
You know, as a defense, you kind of want to force the give on the RPO. You want them to run the football. And you could
Oof. Did he catch that? Wow. Great job.
primary options down the field, so he has to check it down to the drag running underneath.
Looking downfield. It's Ward. He caught it.
All right, 1st and goal.
At the 2, but he's got
Overthrew it a little bit there, but it worked out. Trader has amazing hands in this game.
shadow of the goalpost trying to defend their own end zone. With the run on 1st and
Touchdown. All right.
And he takes it in for the score.
Quick little 7-3 lead. I like it.
So this guy's had a big role in this offense this year, especially when they get down close to the end zone. That's
And
his
perfect extra point.
touchdown on the year. He's been a factor.
Ball State takes over the football and the Cardinal offense headed out. Had to settle for the chip shot field goal last time, Jesse. They'd love for this one to pay off big.
Nice. Nice. Good pursuit.
Too. Did a nice job
Way to
of
swarm on the football.
stalled a little bit once they got down to the goal line, so they just need to be a little bit more crisp here.
Yeah, and listen, I think the first part was the most important part. You got to put the drive together first to get down there. Now, when we get down there, focus on execution and getting 6 points.
Quarterbacks love the short passing game early in games because it really helps them get into a rhythm. So a nice job by the offensive coordinator, giving his quarterback an easy throw, something he can see.
Great stop. Great stop.
The Cardinals will punt this one away. This will
Way
be
to swarm on the ball carrier there. That was nice.
He'll bring it back. It's Restrepo.
I know. I should have put Chris Johnson back there. You know what? Let's fix that right now. And punt returner, Chris Johnson. There we go. Much better.
Bit of yardage he could on the punt return. And here comes that Miami offense back onto the field. That last drive, an absolute aerial assault for the touchdown, Jesse.
It was a nice job in play calling too. Dave,
First
just
down.
giving the quarterback some easy looks and reads so he could go out and execute.
And he knew exactly where to go with the football. Everything looked really, really easy. He was hot. The ball was coming out of his hands. The defense better do something different.
running back, forcing the defense to adjust. He looks that one in nicely. And that's a very productive first down for
Any single time he has the ball. It gives the offense a lot of balance, but he gives
Ooh, I see a big play coming for Trader here.
off play action on first down. Feeling some heat. And he was hit just as he look at our game summary. Back on the field after the break, and we'll start the quarter here on third down. To the air, it's Ward. They'll run the screen.
First down. Oh, standard feet. Yes. What a run, baby. Very nice. Great job, Martinez.
the screen game is such a big part of this offense. A nice job by the quarterback holding on to it to the left.
They'll give it to the back. They bring him down, and he's going to lose a yard on that one. Third and short, they've got them back up inside the 20, and the D.
All right, big third down here, 3rd and 5.
From the gun, wants to
Going a
pass.
little Tampa 2. Oh, stepped out of bounds. Perfect. Good stop, good stop. All right. Next possession here is key because we can blow this thing wide open. Almost got a roughing the kicker. That would have sucked. That would have sucked.
Great speed. Tries to find a little more running room on that return, but he'll be stopped at the 36. Here comes the offense on first down. Use the play fake. Now to throw. Trying to get to it. Basic connection.
Oh, was I past the line? Damn it.
But there is a this one's about.
Yep, illegal forward pass.
You don't see that penalty too often, but we see it here, an illegal forward pass. Here comes the offense on second down. To the air, it's Ward. Got his man quickly.
Oh, man, I had a seam. Why did I take it?
Takes a chunk out of what they need to move the sticks. Come to the line at the 42, facing a third and short. From the gun, wants to pass. Finds the tight end. He's got enough to move.
Nice
the
yak
chains,
there.
and they'll spot it at the 47.
Arroyo's going to have a huge year. If he just stays healthy, oh my God. What you're seeing in the video game is a nice preview of what I think is going to happen.
It's money down for a reason. You got to lock in. Great
First
success.
down. Nope. Yard short.
They make the stop after the catch, and still some work to do to pick up that first down. Now on second down. Here's the handoff.
And George just missed that block, didn't he?
Short yardage situation. Like when I need to run the football and they know I'm running the football. Right there, having that allows me to get the first down.
Got 6 on first down. Now a lot of options on second and 4. He's looking to throw. He's got his man.
Man, Trader is having a game. Good for him.
For a nice game. Let me tell you, this senior quarterback can flat fit it in a tight window. And the Canes
Let's do a
have it
little
with
hot
a
route
first
for
and 10.
Arroyo there.
Looking to pass inside the red zone.
Damn it.
And the rush will get to him at the 25.
How about this defense coming out
Right.
aggressive on first down? They're in the red
Got that
zone.
2-minute warning coming up. Let me snap it before that happens. Ooh. Oy.
If they can convert here, that type of play can really give you a shot of momentum. Trying to move the sticks on third down through the air.
First down. Get out of bounds. Nice.
Run out of bounds, but he
This is why defensive coordinators lose sleep at night. Because guys like this have the football in their hand almost every single play. Third down, nothing open. He makes it happen himself. Now set up with a great scoring opportunity.
Let's just walk in. Nice touchdown. Isaiah Horton.
scoreboard operator to work and put
I like it. Everybody's getting some love. Everybody's getting some catches. Some big plays. 21-3. I like it. This is what I wanted to see heading into the half. All right, coming out of the half, 21-6. Allowed another field goal, but still, we're still in good shape getting the ball back to start the second half.
on the move
We're
inside his 5.
we're in a good spot here.
Able to find enough room to get it out across the 25. He's brought down at the 26. Here comes the Hurricane
got to do a better job of seeing that. That is totally on me.
That's a good example there of complementary defense. The DBs and linebackers are playing zone, they're playing their spaces, and they force the QB to have to hold the ball, try to work through his progressions. And then the pass rush, they win up front.
He is stopped behind the line of scrimmage. They'll lose.
All right, not a great start to the half. Gonna need a big play.
Now one more stop and they can get off the field on 3rd and long.
And there it is. Just what the doctor ordered. First down, baby.
On offense and they're out to their own 39-yard line. This offense absolutely humming as they come to the line again. Skips away from pressure.
Around him. Oh, took a big hit. That was an unnecessary hit.
Solid stop by this sophomore.
Shouldn't have taken that.
Well, you're making a positive out of a negative. And that time, the quarterback, nice job, buying time. He's trying to throw the football downfield, nothing there. So instead of throwing it away, getting the incomplete, just get what you can get. And
Trader, get away from him. There you go. Oh, almost hurdled him. Almost got away.
Down at the 43-yard line. And the Hurricanes have their offense in high gear. Out of the gun, the inside give. Got the first down and still on his feet. And he almost ran away
Nice
from
run. Nice
everybody
run.
on that one. A huge pickup.
guys are getting into
I like that they do the automatic substitutions. I don't have to worry about that. All right, let's flip this play to the left because, yeah, I got more blockers on that side.
One back in the back.
Uh-huh.
He gets the
Uh-huh.
pushes and picks his way ahead for 6 yards. He's down at the 8.
They really want me to hit that slant.
Game is exciting, but it's not exciting to get 5 or 6 yards. of
Got to be very careful here. I already got an easy field goal in front of me.
Wants to throw on 3rd.
Get, oh, come on. You can't break that tackle.
Pick up the first down on that one, but he'll be just They didn't quite get that route run deep enough to pick up the first down.
Whatever.
Now they've
Let's go
got a
for it.
4th and short.
And I think everybody at home tends to yell at their
What the hell? Kicking's hard enough in this game, and I'm kicking from that right hash mark. Yeah, let's just get these 2 yards.
Defense did a good job knowing where that was, but now
Ooh, almost got in the end zone. All right.
He'll be stopped just short of the end zone.
Glad the CPU did not suggest field goal.
The offense threatening it close to the end zone now with a new set of downs.
Again, let's flip it to the right.
Trying to pound it in. Touchdown, Canes. And the
That should just about do it. I don't want to jinx myself, but 28-6, I feel pretty good.
take a little exhale. You know, you did your
All right, boys and girls, jumping ahead of the 4th quarter now. Got 3rd and goal on the 1 here. This is a big, big play.
pushes for
Get there. That's the icing on the cake.
on 4th down. Go
Come on, Bane, get. Ooh, wasn't Bane, it was Austin.
on 3rd and long. Try to convert through the air.
Go, Trader.
Makes the connection.
Go, Trader. Go, Trader.
Just complete.
And that's it. Dominant little 38-6 victory. Happy with that.
yeah, total domination.
Poffenbarger got some reps.
Offense, defense, and special.
Got some nice stats from Martinez.
To play.
Kind of pad his numbers, give him 4 touchdowns. I think he had 2 in the Florida game, and he had a couple more in the FCS game. So watch out for him in the Heisman standings. I bet he's starting to crack that top 5, top 6. I have to check that out. But overall, dominant win. I like it. Until next time, next episode, we will be heading into week 4. Again, same thing, little recruiting. We'll play the game. But until then, take care, guys. As always, go Canes.